For the stem, I'll be using a green paper. The first thing to note is that in order for you to get a good stem, you need to use a rectangular shape, a long rectangular shape. Now these are my rectangles. Next is to fold the rectangles to give you a stem. In order for me to fold the rectangles, I will need to begin from the edge of the paper. So I'm using a toothpick, a longer toothpick there. You can either use a toothpick, or you can use a pen, or you can use an already made stem, any type you want, depending on the size you want to make. If I want my stem to be big, I will use the one I'm holding now. But because I want the stem to be small, I'll be using a toothpick. So I'm going to place the toothpick diagonally on the paper from one side, one edge of the paper. Now while folding it, try to make sure your hand remains slanted. Make sure the papers don't align together. It must be slanted, else you're going to keep folding again from scratch. So this is me folding it gradually, maintaining the slant shape. After that, I stick the glue to it. Following the same procedure, I'm going to fold the second stem. Remember, I'm making two roses here. I made two roses before, so I'm to make two stems. Now I fold diagonally and I stick the glue again to it. Here are the two stems. The next thing I'm going to do is to cut a leaf. For the leaf, I'm not going to make much illustrations here. I'll be doing another video for it. If you want it, please leave a comment. Make a request in the comment section. I'll look up another video for you on how to get the leaf. For the leaf, is very simple. All I need to do is to cut a rectangular shape depending on the size you want. Fold the paper you cut into two, then cut the shape of a leaf. When you open it, it's going to give you two-sided leaf. That's just it. So you see me doing it, I just cut them together and I fold it. I need 4 leaves, hence I fold it to give me 8 places. Now I'm going to simply cut out the shape I want. If you want the leaf to be fat, you cut it to be fat. If you want it slim, you cut it slim. Any type of shape you want, this is where you give the shape out. I just finished cutting the first one, and here is me cutting the second leaf. Now after the second leaf, what I'm going to do next is to attach the rows we made first to the stems. In order for me to attach the rows to the stem, the first thing I'm going to do is to chop out the edge of the stem, then make 2 notches. The essence for the notch is for a firm grip, so that when I put the glue on the 2 edges of the notch, placing it to the roses made it much easier to stick. If I leave it straight like that and put the glue there, I have to hold it for some couple of seconds for it to stick. But with this way, the way I notch it there, you see the way it's gripping. The 2 edges are separated. That's the notch I mean. So I place the glue on the both edge. I just pick up the rose. Once I place it there, it is stick. Remember, I'm using the hot glue gun, which is very fast to glue. So this is how it is. Next thing I'm going to do is to attach my leaf. For the leaf attachment, you can choose to put it anyhow you want. You can put the 2 of them the same place. You can decide to put them separate. But for the course of this video, I'll be putting it separate. So I'm placing one at the top close to the flower, and the other one I'm going to place it a bit down from the flower. You need to be careful with the hot glue gun, please. Note, while using your hot glue gun, when you stick, you have stick. Any other thing you want to do is to tear. Therefore, you have to be very much careful. So this is how the flower looks. The rose flower with the stem. I'm going to also make the second one. So I'm going to repeat every process I used before. Please, if this video was helpful to you, like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Here are the two flowers.